In this video, we'll take a closer look at Trust Wallet and find out whether it's actually a reliable app for storing and managing cryptocurrencies, what its main advantages and disadvantages are, and what you should know before using it. The first thing you should know is that Trust Wallet is a self-custody cryptocurrency wallet. This means that you have control over your keys and recovery phrase, rather than a company having control over your funds. One of its main advantages is that you can use Trust Wallet to buy, sell, swap, and store different cryptocurrencies, as well as access Web3 features and other decentralized applications directly from the wallet. Another important aspect is security. Trust Wallet includes features such as risk alerts, security scanning, and protection against certain suspicious transactions. The company also states that its products regularly undergo independent security audits. Another advantage is its availability. You can use Trust Wallet on Android, iPhone, and through a browser extension, making it easier to access your assets across different devices. So, is Trust Wallet a scam? Or does it actually work? Based on the available information, it is not a fake application simply designed to deceive users. It is an established self-custody wallet used by millions of people, with official applications and its own security features. However, the fact that the app is legitimate does not automatically mean that every transaction we make through it is safe. We still need to be very careful about the websites we visit, the links we open, and the transactions we authorize. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave a like for more step-by-step tutorials and reviews.